Today, we're going inside the world's most secret fighter jet factory, where the F-35 Lightning II is built.
This highly restricted facility belongs to Lockheed Martin, home of the world's most advanced warplane. From raw metal to a full combat-ready jet. This is the complete inside story.
Entry begins with multiple layers of military-grade security checkpoints.
Identity confirmed. Proceed to the next station.
Many zones are fully no-camera and classified areas.
Only highly authorized personnel are ever allowed inside.
Shipments of titanium arrive under strict security protocols. Massive carbon fiber sheets are stored for the jet's stealth body.
Robotic inventory systems move materials with precision.
Quality scanners inspect each material before assembly begins. The fuselage frame is the first major structure built in the factory. Robotic arms precision weld the joints down to millimeter accuracy. Layers of carbon fiber strengthen the jet for high-G maneuvers. Engineers shape the stealth profile to minimize radar reflection. Every section is hand-checked for flaws and perfection. The jet enters a dark, climate-controlled stealth coating chamber.
Radar-absorbing material is sprayed across the entire surface.
A heat-resistant top layer protects the plane at supersonic speed. Robots ensure every curve is evenly coated.
This coating is what makes the F-35 almost invisible to radar. Technicians begin installing thousands of wiring harnesses.
Advanced sensors are fitted into the jet's nose and wings.
The distributed aperture system gives the pilot 360-degree awareness.
The mission computer, the brain of the jet, is installed next.
All systems together make the F-35 the smartest jet ever built.
Inside another section, the powerful F-135 engine is created.
Turbine blades are forged to withstand extreme temperatures.
The jet nozzle is assembled for maximum thrust and stealth. Every engine undergoes intense testing before installation. The iconic gold-tinted canopy is manufactured and polished.
The cockpit includes futuristic touchscreen controls.
The pilot's helmet projects real-time data onto the visor.
This helmet gives a complete 360-degree view through the jet.
Technicians test the entire cockpit interface for reliability. The internal weapons bay is installed beneath the fuselage.
Targeting modules are integrated for precision strikes.
Weapons are stored inside to maintain stealth.
This design reduces radar signature dramatically.
Programmers work on millions of lines of mission software.
We're approaching the asteroid field.
I see it. Maintain your current trajectory. AI systems detect threats long before the pilot sees them. Mission planning computers analyze every detail. From raw metal to a full combat-ready jet. This is the complete inside story. Technicians test the entire cockpit interface for reliability.
The F-35 runs over 8 million lines of advanced code.
Wings and tail sections are attached precisely. For the first time, the jet looks fully complete.
Hydraulic systems undergo stress testing.
Ailerons, flaps, and stabilizers are tested.
Only after passing all tests can the jet move ahead. The jet is taken to a secure engine test cell.
All right, let's fire it up.
The afterburner creates an enormous blast of power.
Heat waves shimmer across the testing room. Engineers monitor performance and safety data.
The jet receives its signature gray stealth paint.
National markings and squadron logos are added.
Serial numbers and identification codes are applied.
Now the F-35 is fully mission ready.
Pilots perform a strict pre-flight inspection. They suit up in advanced armored flight gear. A walk-around check ensures everything is perfect.
All right, time for a little joyride.
Engine power increases as the jet prepares for liftoff.
With a roar, the F-35 takes to the sky.
The first flight is recorded as a success. The F-35C is built for aircraft carriers. Israel uses the F-35 for strategic missions. Carrier-based operations extend its reach worldwide.
Different stages of assembly contribute to the price.
The program supports hundreds of thousands of jobs. This factory is where the future of air combat is born. Every jet is a combination of stealth, power, and technology.
The F-35 remains one of the most advanced aircraft ever made.
If you enjoyed this inside look, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.